Hi, this is Anna with Big Bear Vans. Today I want to show you another completed custom build, a very special one. It goes to Oregon. It will be an office on wheels and also a family camper van. So on the exterior we have upgraded off-road tires, 17 and black Rina wheels. We also have insulated, ready to serve you in winter windows on all sides, a side ladder and a roof rack with decking and solar. So from the side ladder that's here in the middle on the side, you have access to the roof deck on top, and the roof deck goes around the 2 max air fans, 12-volt rooftop AC unit and 2 solar panels that give you 300 watts of solar power. And also we have an extremely long, very cool motorized awning mounted to the sides of the roof rack. So let's check what the owner has added to the rear doors, because he has the water tank 38-gallon underneath the van where the spare tire is, right there. So the tire was relocated on a tire carrier that's mounted to the hinges of a Sprinter van, and that one is flatline Vanco, and again very cool tires and new wheels, upgraded ones. And here he has Sherpa Carrier from Avalvans and also Avalvans large storage box with the shelf here. Also his van came with rear windows, and let's see the rear bathroom. In the shower pan we have a foldable bamboo mat. So the shower head has a pressure regulator, so if you want to save water you can make it less or more, and also you can stop and continue. So we have an adjustable bar here, so you can adjust the height of your shower and also the angle. Whenever you need to shower, you have a curtain, so to close the cabinet and to close the rear doors. Another curtain is on this side, so it goes all around you. It has a nice pattern of pine trees, like a forest in Oregon. You can store quite a lot of things in here. And a drawer for your essentials, for the toothbrushes and soap. We also made a 110 outlet for the hair dryer. It's hidden here, and a cabinet. Towel holder, some useful hooks. Also, I know that a lot of people use the rear bathroom to mount sport gear whenever you need it. Again, as I said, you can unhook the toilet, put it in the middle and use the L-tracks to mount your skis and snowboards to this wall. So now I'm entering the living space of this van, and we have 2 benches here that become a bed at night time, and also we have a big storage bench here and 2 lagoon swivel tables. This lagoon table serves for people who sit on these benches and as a dinette. This lagoon table can be used between the passenger seat. Also, this table can be used as a work desk with nice view when you have your sliding door open, or if you put it up a little bit, because the lagoon swivel mount is adjustable in height, so you can put it up and use as an additional space to cook or even to serve the food outside. So it's nice. So you cook here and then you pass the food outside. What concerns the kitchen? The kitchen is equipped with the 12-volt 3.3 cubic feet fridge and freezer. It's 12-volt, it doesn't consume a lot of power, it can be sustained by solar only when you're out of the van. Then above it we have a double induction cooktop, a very cool solid surface countertop with marble pattern, and the pattern doesn't break, it continues through the cutout for the sink. You can open it up. The sink we used is a very deep 10-inch workstation. It also has a bamboo insert that you can use as a chopping board. On the other side it's aluminum, and you can use to put something hot. The hot pans and pots can be placed here, or it can be used to prepare food. The sink is really deep and big, and it is as itself a storage, so you can store here a kettle, all the dishes, anything you need. So this faucet rotates 90 degrees and becomes a waterfall. If you want to wash vegetables or fruits, then you can switch it back to normal. And it also has different regimes, like this one, different modes. In addition to this faucet, we have a drinking water one here. So if you're thirsty, drinking water on board, and the filter is mounted underneath the sink. On top of me, we have a 12-volt AC unit. So, and if you're sitting in this area, you can direct the vents as you wish. Also, we have Maxera fan here, and at the back in the bathroom, we have 110 outlets with USB ports. We have all the controls on this side. We have beautiful neon blue lights for the evening atmosphere, electrical awning, battery monitor, inverter, and the glycol diesel combined water and air heater controls. On this side, you have 3 big drawers. All of them latch nicely, and then the bottom one. Then on top we have 10 wall cabinets. One of them is the microwave. Then we have storage ones. All of them have shelf. And they stay open when you load and unload things. The windows have covers, and you can completely block the light just in a couple of seconds, or you can use a mosquito net. They open really wide, allowing a lot of fresh air to go in. On both sides we have reading lights, and on this side too. We also have wall organizers where you can store your books or anything you want. You can close the bathroom if you don't want to see it. Yes, and just relax here. And let me show the projector screen. Here we have projector screen, and it is ready to watch the movies. You can put projector on the lagoon table, center it here, and you can make the bed and enjoy the movies from there. So let's set the bed up. For this purpose, we need to take the cushions and put them on one side. So now the bed is ready. So you can sleep across the bed, or if you are more than 69 inches tall, you can sleep lengthwise, like this. So this bench has storage for more things to be put in here. The sliding door has a double pane awning style windows with the curtain, and it's all well insulated behind these panels.